Okay, dear students, this is the third part of real numbers in fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I have already discussed about this topic and also work out few questions in the previous video classes. In this video class, I will work out few questions on this topic. All questions are very important in the board exam 2021. Please watch my video classes. Then your concept will be clear and will get 100% marks in this subject. Okay, start from this question number 5. So read this question carefully and try to understand what we'll do. If two positive integers p and q are written as p equal to a square bq and q equal to aqb. A and b are prime numbers. Find the LCM and HCF of p and q. So this is what is the p? P equal to integers and it's the factorization, prime factorization are a square bq. This is the prime factorization of p. Also q equal to aq and b. This is the prime factorization of q. So by having the prime factorization, so you can find the LCM and NSM easily. So then LCM is equal to the common factor greatest power of the common factor will be the LCM. So a and a common factor and greatest power is aq, and b and b are the common factor and greatest power is the bq. This is the LCM. So next HCF is equal to common factor, should be the common factor and power will be the lowest. So a and a the common factor, the lowest power is a square, and then b is the common factor and lowest power is b. This is the HCF. Okay, LCM means lowest common multiple this result and is the highest common factor. This is the answer of this question. Okay, very easy for understanding what will do the fundamental theorem use means prime factorization. Okay, the next question is question number 6 will come. Okay, next question, question number 6, very important question. Determine the value of m and n so that the prime factorization of 10,500 is expressible as 2 to the power m into 3 into 5 to the n into 7. So you will find the m and n. Okay, m, what will be the result of m, and what will be the result of n? Find the value of n and n. How to find the value of m and n? First of all, this number will be the prime factorization. Then you will have 10,500. It will be the prime factorization. So it is divisible by 2 and 2 is the prime number. So 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 5 2 is 10 and 0. Okay. So it is the divisible, okay, 5 to 5 and then also divisible by 2. So 2 2 is 4, okay, 1 carry 6, okay, 6 2 is 12, then khatam, and then 2 2 is 4, 1 carry 5 2 is 10. And then will come, it is not divisible by 2, okay, it is not divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 3, therefore 8, 10, 15, so it is divisible by 3. Now write the 3, okay, then come to the 3 eggs are 24, 2 carry and 22, 3 7 are 21 and 1 carry 3 5 are 15. And next, it is not the 3 divisible by 3, so 15 and 20, so it is divisible by 5, so come in the 5. Okay, next will come the 5 1 are 5 and then 3 and 37, 5 7 are 37 and 2 carry 25, 5 5 are 25. And then also divisible by 5. Okay, next come 3 5 are 15, 2 carry and 3 5 are, okay, 5 5 are 25. So next will come with the 5 and then 7. Okay. So procedure stop here. Prime factorization done because 7 is the prime number. Whenever the prime number come and stop the procedure. Now write the prime factorization. Just write here 10,500 is equal to, this will be the 2, and write as a power notation. This is 2 and power, take the power 2 and then 3 alone. So there is 1 and then 5 and the 5 with the 3, 1, 2, 3. So take as a power 3 and then 7. Okay. And what is the result of expressible result? And then equal to 2 to the power m into 3 into 5 to the power n into 7. And compare these two factor. Okay, it is the prime factorization. It is also the 10,500. It is the prime factorization. Okay, having the m and n. What is the equal to the m? Therefore, m is equal to 2. Therefore, m के साथ 2 के साथ equal. Okay, and then n equal to, what is the result of n, and 3 के साथ n equal. So it is the 3. Okay, this is the result answer. इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन बेटा आएगा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कैसे तुम लोग करोगे. सो नोट डाउन ऑन योर कॉपी एंड ट्राई टू, बार बार देखोगे, वीडियो को वॉच करोगे, इसी टाइप क्वेश्चन आएगा. ओके, कम द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट 2 डिजिट composite number and smallest composite number. Okay, I think everybody can do this number, find the composite number 2 digits. So first of all, the smallest 2 digit number, smallest 2 digit composite number equal to 10. 10 is the smallest and it is the composite number. So we can find the prime factorization. Next, smallest composite number. Okay, जो हम लोग को 6 क्लास में 5, 6 है, वही चीज मैथ को हम लोग 10 क्लास से घुमा फिर कर बेटा. The smallest 2 digit composite number equal to 10 and smallest composite number is equal to 4. And find the LCM between the 10 and 4. So LCM, it will be the LCM of 10 and 4. And then prime factorization method. Okay, 10, then 2 and 5. So 4 and 2 by 2. Okay, then write the 10 equal to 2 into 5, 2 into 5, and 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 means 2 ka write as a power notation. Okay, there is the same factor, so you write the 2 here. Okay, next, first the LCM is equal to 2 is the common and the greatest power 2 square, and then 5 is not common, 5 also will come in the LCM, so it will be the product, and this is the 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. This is the answer. Okay, you can do first of all like the smallest digits, 2 digit composite number 10 and smallest composite number 4, and then LCM of 10 and 4, and then find the factorization and then the result. Okay, okay, next question will come. Pause this video. Okay, question number 8. This is the most important in word problem. So read this sentence and try to understand what we'll do. देखो, 3 bells tolled at interval of 12 minutes, 15 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. Per. If they start tolling together, after what time will 3 bells next toll together? Okay, 3 bells है, इसके इंटरवल 12 मिनट के एक बाजेगा, 15 के बाद 18 के बाद बजेगा, उसके बाद तीनों एक साथ कब बजेगा? स्टार्टिंग हो गए टोल टुगेदर मीन्स एक साथ, एक बार एक साथ बजा, और नेक्स्ट कब एक साथ बजेगा. सो इट विल फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ, फाइंड द एलसीएम, किसका एलसीएम करोगे? ऑफ देयर इंटरवल टाइम. द फर्स्ट बेल इंटरवल 12 comma, second bell's interval is 15, and third is the 18 minutes. So you will find the LCM and result of the LCM will be the time. Okay, after time they will next told together. So first of all, prime factorization, 12 prime factorization, just like that, 2, 6 and 2, 3. Okay, then 15, then 3 and 5. Okay, then 18 prime factorization, 2, 9, then 3 and 3. Now write up the all prime factorization like that. 12 is equal to 2 and write the power notation it by into 3. Next 15, it has no the common same factor, so only having the 3 and 5 prime factorization, write same. Now 18 is equal to 2 and 3 and power notation 2. Okay, 3 square. There are 3 factors, 2, same. Now LCM. LCM is equal to, now LCM is here, that side. Now LCM equal to common factor greatest power. The 2 is the common factor having the 2 places, so 2 square multiply by product of the all common factors greatest power. This is the LCM, the result is called LCM. Now 3 is the common factor is 3, there are 3 places, so power is 3 square, and 5 is along this second term, so it will also come in the product. Okay, 5, and next they multiply koroge 3. Okay, 4, 9, 4 9 is 36, 36 into 5, 180. So it is the 180. Okay, 180. So what is the time will be the 180 minutes. Okay, now after 180 minutes, after 180 minutes, so convert into the hour. So it will be the 180 minutes convert into the 3 hours. So it will be divided by the 60. So 180 divided by 60. So cut, cancel and 3 6 are 18. Okay. So this is the result. The 3 hours is the time. So the 3 bells again. Okay. 3 bells. Therefore 3 bells. 3 bells. Okay. will next टोल will एक साथ बाजेगा. ओके, टुगेदर आफ्टर 3 hours. दिस इज द आंसर बेटा. ओके, 3 hours के बाद ये लोग एक साथ बजेगा. पॉज दिस note down on your copy and pause this video. Okay, next question will come here. Students, the next question number 9, very important question. Okay, check whether 6 to the power n can end, n means one place digit, with the digit 0. Okay, so end means माने one place digit माने ending of the number. The number is देखो 6 to the power n. This is the number form. So where n क्या, what is the n? n is the natural numbers. नेचुरल नंबर्स मीनिंग काउंटिंग नंबर्स 1 से लेकर चलते रहेगा. माने n will be the 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, as so on. ठीक है ना. So whenever end with the digits means देखो, if you have to remember, if any number माने any number माने कोई भी नंबर होगा, ends उनका एंड्स करेगा, खत्म करेगा. एंड्स में होगा वन प्लेस डिजिट्स विथ जीरो. ओके, विथ जीरो मतलब एंड्स विथ द जीरो. देन क्या होगा, उनका क्या होना चाहिए. जब कोई भी नंबर का एंड में जीरो है तो उसको क्या होना चाहिए, एंड देन इट मस्ट बी, देखो इट मस्ट इसका फैक्टर होना चाहिए 2 and 5. तो इट मस्ट हैव 2 and 5 एज फैक्टर्स. ओके, इनका 2 फैक्टर होना चाहिए 2 and 5. then every number ending with the 0. So here the question 6 to the power n, इस 6 का प्लेस में 12 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है, एनी नंबर 15 भी हो सकता है. सो 12 6 to the power n ये भी हो सकता है, 12 to the power n, इट इज नॉट द मैटर, बा 15 to the power n, कुछ भी नंबर हो सकता है इसका. समझ गए चीज बेटा? ये नहीं जी इसको 4 to the power n भी चेक कर सकते हैं इसको आंसर में. तो एनी नंबर यू कैन डू जहाँ 6 to the power n, इट इज नॉट फॉर द ओनली फॉर द 6 to the power n, 12 to the n, 15 to the n, 14 to the 10 to the power n. Okay, the ending should be the ending of the 0, है कि नहीं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड दिस 6. ओके, 6 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो. 6 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होगा? 2 into 3. तो एज 6 इक्वल टू 2 into 3. ओके, तो 6 हैज ओनली फैक्टर, देखो 6, ओके 6 हैज 2 and 3 factors. Okay, so 5 is not factor. Okay, 5 is not a factor of 6 to the power n. Okay, 6 has the only 2 n factor, so 5 is not factor. So 6 to the power n only the factor of the 2 and 5 is not the factor of 6 to the power n. Okay, 6 to the power n you can write also, only write the 6. Okay, write the 6. So you can remark then, so 5 is not, next statement you can write, okay, not a factor of 6 to the power n. अगर इसके फैक्टर में 6 to the power n कोई नंबर होगा, सो 15 to the power होगा, 12 to the होगा, इसका फैक्टर में जब 5 नहीं है तो हेंस देयरफॉर करके लिख सकते हैं, हेंस इसमें कोई n नहीं होगा. 6 to the power n कैन नेवर, कभी नहीं, कैन नेवर एंड, माने 1 प्लेस डिजिट्स एंड विथ कौन सा डिजिट बोलो? विथ द डिजिट 0. Okay, this is the proof. So note down on your copy and pause this video and read this carefully and work out. Okay, student, the last question 10, question number 10. This is the very lengthy question, but you read carefully and try to understand what you will do. There is a circular path around a sports field. Hari takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Okay, for the same, suppose the both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the same point? इसका मतलब क्या बोला था कि एक सर्कुलर स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड है जिसमें चारों तरफ घूमते रहते हैं. ओके, बहुत बच्चे रहते हैं. यहाँ पे ओनली 2 बॉयज टेक द पार्ट्स. कौन? एक हरी, ओके, हरी, एक रवि, 2 पॉइंट. हरी एक राउंड करने के लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट उनका लग रहा है 18 मिनट्स, टेक 18 मिनट्स, एंड रवि टेक 12 मिनट्स फॉर 1 राउंड मिनट. ओके, ऐसे घूमते घूमते कब ये लोग, देखो दोनों एक साथ यदि घूमेगा तो कम बेसी जाएगा, क्योंकि वो तो ज़्यादा उनका कम टाइम ले रहा है, तो इनका कम टाइम स्पीड ज़्यादा है, इनका स्पीड कम है, धीरे धीरे घूमेगा. ओके, तो देन विल बी कम एट अगेन एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स विल दे मीट अगेन एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट? कब इसे घूमते घूमते आएगा? जो जितना 2 बार राउंड 3 बार राउंड देगा. अगर कोई राउंड देने के समय दोनों का टाइम यदि इक्वल आ जाएगा, दोनों का टाइम इक्वल आएगा, तो दिस इज द टाइम स्टार्टिंग टू मीट एट टुगेदर एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द LCM? Find the LCM of 18 and 12. दोनों का LCM फाइंड करो. LCM will be the time, after time they will meet at a starting point. ओके देयर विल बी द सेम टाइम, ओके जिसका इक्वल टाइम से जितना 2 बार राउंड दे सकते हैं 3 बार राउंड दे सकते हैं, उसका भी मतलब नहीं है। देखो कितना है, फर्स्ट एंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स इन 18 लाइक दैट, ओके यू फॉलो द फंडामेंटल थ्योरम। बेटा फंडामेंटल थ्योरम यही बोलता है सब नंबर गुलो जितना सारा नंबर है उसको प्राइम फैक्टर से एक्सप्रेस करना है। ओके मैं दिस इज द कंपोजिट नंबर 2 times and then 9 and then again 3 and 3. Okay, so whenever come the prime number, stop the procedure. Next 12. Okay, 12 2 times 6 and then again 2 and 3. Now write as a 12. Let's suppose 18 is equal to 2 and 3 and power notation, and 12 is equal to 2 to the power 2 square into 3. And what will be the LCM? LCM is equal to, LCM will be the common factor and greatest power, the 2 and is the greatest power, and 3 is the common factor, 3 is the greatest power 3 square, and this is the result is 36. Okay, 36. So then will come the after how many minutes, okay 36 minutes will they meet again together. So therefore they will meet, okay again फिर से आएगा, okay at the starting point कितना मिनट के बाद आएगा 36 मिनट, आफ्टर 36 मिनट। ओके जब क्वेश्चन बड़ी लेंथी था लेकिन कितना इजी, खाली समझना है क्या करना है बेटा, फोकसिंग करोगे तो हम जो क्वेश्चन 10 क्वेश्चन बनाए फंडामेंटल थ्योरम से रियल नंबर में जो लिखा सब एनसीआर अनदर राइटर एंड इवन बोर्ड एग्जाम के समय ऑल क्वेश्चन यू विल अप्लाई दिस रूल एंड यू कैन फाइंड। सो बार बार मेरा वीडियो गुला देखोगे वॉच करोगे, अगर तुम्हारा मेरा वीडियो यदि तुम्हारा अच्छा लगेगा तो यू विल लाइक माई वीडियो क्लासेस, प्लीज शेयर लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, ओके प्लीज and thanks all of you. I will come in the next video class. Thanks all of you. Okay.